everyone. Today we're going to be making my bird cage. It took a while. This is me editing afterwards for the record. So I'm going to get into it and show you the little span of making the cage. My mom's boyfriend is making the cage, so for the record, the cage is a double flight cage, 54 inches tall, Mick cage. Anyways, roll the footage. And we just finished with the cage, so I'm gonna give you guys the tour. It's a double flight cage, so pretty big. On this side we have our ladder, which I'm gonna connect to a play stand. And when you come in for here, we have our nubby perch next to our nice shredding toy. In here we have the platform perch, and up here we have this stringy perch with a bird kebab beside it. Down here we have our foraging bag. I forgot to strap it in. So on this entrance we have this swing. And we also have this stringy perch here. This perch here, this big nubby perch, and this right here, a new toy I got. So that is the full tour of the cage. I'll probably give another tour after we go to the pet store and get more bird stuff. So yeah, see you there. I'm gonna give you guys the final tour now. So first, on the outside, we have a few things. This rope perch that is also bending open at the side of this. We also have all these perches on here. Very nice. All natural. It was originally like one of those natural bird ladders. I kind of just put it flat down. We had the ladder on the outside. It's pretty nice. It was too big, so I didn't put it inside. Okay, so next onto the door, we have a swing. Have the swing that gets tied up easily. The knobby perch, and the more natural bird kebab. Yeah, it doesn't look the best on when you shut the door, but who cares? So next over here, we've got our eating area. These both took me forever to screw in. We have a calcium toy over here. Gets everything very dusty. It's also all sat on top of this platform perch. It's pretty nice. Then across from here, we have the foraging bag. Took me a while. Well, it took me a while, but it's pretty nice. Then up here, we got this from the pet store, the firecracker toy. It's really nice, edible. Pretty sure it uses tusks. Then over here, we have this perch, long perch, and a bird kebab, which is nice. Then over here we have a Planet Pleasures bird toy and another perch. Then we have this big knobby perch with this toy right here. It has these Wix balls. Pretty nice. Okay. Down here we have these two things. They're my brother's and he isn't really letting me using them. But anyways, we have all the dowel perches. I didn't put these in because they are bad for birds. So they're just down there. We also have these grates here, which if you can't tell, we attached them here because when we removed the divider, it left a big space. We also have my bird carrier and bird bath here. I am getting a few more things for the cage, so I will probably make an update video when that happens. Anyways, peace out. And also for anyone wondering what the cage is, it is 54 inches, I believe. Each cage is 21 inches wide. It comes with a divider, but we took it out and put these grates here instead. It's a pretty nice cage. The stand's nice. It's as tall as me. Anyways, bye.